Injection pump is an essential part of a diesel engine, as it regulates how much fuel is dispersed into the engine cylinders. Adjusting the injection pump can help minimize fuel consumption and increase engine performance. Firstly, you should consult the engine manual for specific instructions and safety precautions before proceeding. Once you know the make and model of your injection pump and engine, you can begin adjusting the pump. This process usually requires a special tool to rotate the pump in small increments. It's important to make small adjustments and test the engine performance after each adjustment. You should also consider the fuel quality and any other engine modifications that may impact performance. The injection pump can be adjusted to increase or decrease the fuel flow rate, which affects the engine's power output and fuel consumption. To increase engine performance, turn the adjustment screw clockwise to increase the fuel flow rate. However, keep in mind that increasing fuel flow rate can also increase fuel consumption. To minimize fuel consumption, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to decrease the fuel flow rate. It's important to monitor your engine's performance and fuel consumption after adjusting the injection pump and make further adjustments as necessary. Once the adjustments are completed, it's important to test the engine thoroughly to observe how it is running. During this process, it's important to pay attention to the sounds and vibrations of the engine, as well as the amount of smoke coming from the exhaust. Any unusual sounds or behavior should be noted and addressed immediately. Additionally, it's important to check the engine's performance under different loads and speeds. This will ensure that the engine is running smoothly and efficiently. Lastly, always make sure to document any adjustments made and test results, as this will help in future maintenance and troubleshooting. Properly adjusting and testing an injection pump can help increase the lifespan of an engine and ensure it's running at its best. When you have finished adjusting the injection pump on an engine, it is important to test the engine to ensure that everything is running smoothly. First, observe the engine from a safe distance to visually inspect for any leaks or abnormal sounds. Next, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to warm up. During this time, check the engine's RPMs to make sure they are within the recommended range. If not, adjust the injection pump until the RPMs are correct. Once the engine is warmed up, take it for a short drive to test the acceleration and power. Listen for any unusual sounds and feel for any strange vibrations. If everything feels and sounds normal, the injection pump adjustment was successful and the engine is ready to be used.
Pareho yan, no? Ito, kasi wala tayo pang shade.
Adjustment idling. Injection pump assembly. And fuel flow load adjustment. By taking these measures, we can reduce the negative effects of pollution on our environment and our health. Like and comment, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.